The Human Rights Commission of Sierra Leone is now more particular than ever about the legal circumstances surrounding the repeal of the death penalty law and the effects of its interpretation moving forward.
So for us as the Commission, we see it that the state has been a murderer, inverted commas. Because if the state could kill one of its own, then it means it is actually, we call it legal or lawful murder. But the state has actually been committing, has been doing such a thing. We have seen that over years, the death penalty has been applied. The death penalty has been applied to political cases. We have a long list of people who have actually suffered, the death penalty. Many advocates, many people observe that indeed they were not actually given opportunity to have a due process of the law.
The Commission is quite particular about the second optional protocol of the International Convention on Civil and Political Rights, which is the total abolition of death penalty, and pleads with the government to hastily sign to the same. The Commission's campaign for the repeal of death penalty law began in 2007 when the Commission published their first State of Human Rights report.
Government has shown leadership. Government has shown an exemplary leadership. If government has said we are no longer interested in killing anybody, then it means that you, as a citizen, as the ordinary man, should also restrain yourself from taking the lives of another person. It also means that those trigger-happy police or security officials, security personnel, should now begin to think that indeed there is no longer time for us to involve in reckless policing when we go out there as police officers to actually do our work.
Issues about the current state of correctional centers and how they could be improved were similarly discussed. Commissioner of the Human Rights Commission, Simiti Lavely, said that she was not sure whether the prerogative of mercy or the presidential pardon, as it is popularly known, would ever be revoked or reversed. She drew biblical reference to the crucifixion of Jesus Christ and the role Pontius Pilate played in the death of same. During the question and answer session, a question was asked about the fate of the 99 prisoners who had already been sent on death row. The Vice Chairperson of the Human Rights Commission, Victor Lansana, said the former was a critical legal topic that would require further dialogues with the Attorney General and Minister of Justice for a decision to be made. But for now, their fate hung on a pendulum. The repeal of the death penalty law comes at a time when the Criminal Procedure Act of 1965 is also being repealed. SLBC News, Victor Jones.